Why is he not talking to you, or she? If this found you, you probably are having that question within yourself. You're like, why did they remove themselves from my life? Why are they not talking to me? Am I going to ever be with them again? Am I ever going to see them again? Let's find out what your angels have to say about this, because I have a feeling it's bigger than you could ever imagined. I think they came into your life for a huge reason, and you feel that energy. You feel that big energetic mark that they've left in your life, and now that they've pulled away, there's a huge gaping wound. There's a huge hole. What do we do with that hole? Do we leave it blank because they're going to come back? Or do we fill it up and start fresh? Build a new foundation. Okay, these are all questions that your angels are going to answer and more. So don't scroll away for this one. We have my angel deck. I have my angel tarot cards out. You know, I mean business when we have the angel deck out, okay? But what's going on with this person? Why are they not talking to you? Give me an answer, Spirit. First of all, is this person your soulmate? Is there a deeper connection with this person besides just liking them? Okay. Wow, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have the Seven of Cups. That came out first. Guess what came out with it, though? The Ten of Cups. Okay? Cups are about emotional fulfillment, you guys. This is really good. This is with the question that we're asking. These are good cards to pull. So cups have to do with emotional fulfillment. When I'm seeing the Seven of Cups, this is making me feel like there's so, you imagined what life would be like with them, okay? When you guys were talking, when you guys were together, you imagine this beautiful life. You're like, oh my gosh, this is what we would do. This is what it would look like. It'd be so amazing. You fell in love with this idea. You fell in love with the fantasy. You're like, this is what the future is going to be like with this person. And it made you fall in love with them even more because you're like, I love this idea of this future. This is perfect. And this person's perfect for me because we both like these things. We both like talking about these things. We have the same vision for the future. So all these things are going to be so much fun. It's going to feel like dating my best friend, but it's going to be like this beautiful romance at the same time. And you fell in love with this. Now, with the Ten of Cups that came out with it, you also had that, you were thinking about being in it for the long term with this person. You were thinking like, this is my partner. This is my lifeline. I'm talking above husband, above wife. I'm talking soul binding relationship here, okay? You felt this with this person. With the Ace of Wands, it makes me feel like this person came into your life out of the blue. You weren't looking for that connection. They just came into your life. It's almost as if God planned you guys to meet because it came out of nowhere, okay? Now, okay, so that's the past energy. But then we have the Four of Swords. So this is oh my gosh, you guys, wait till you see the next card that came out. You cannot make this up. Okay, the Four of Swords though. This is how things are right now. We aren't talking. Okay, swords have to do with words and thoughts. And the Four of Swords, just like in this card, you see how she's sleeping? She's not doing anything. She's not talking. She's sleeping. He's sleeping on you, or she, right? Now, what I mean by that is this is a time for meditation, stillness. We're not supposed to make anything happen right now. So I don't think you're supposed to be reaching out to this person. And I think that there is a point to the quietness. There's a point to the stillness, okay? I think that you're supposed to go within because I think that, you know what I really think? I'm gonna tell you what I really think. Okay, you're gonna like this. I think that you are not quite a vibrational match to your soulmate right now, but you were enough of a vibrational match for the universe to bring in this person just for a little bit. Just for a little bit. Just enough to where you could feel what it would feel like to be with your soulmate. And now the universe had to pull that person away because you're not really a vibrational match to that yet. The universe had to just give you a little sneak peek, a little trailer of what it would be like. And the universe was hoping that that would be your inspiration to fix yourself, to raise your vibration so that you could finally let the real thing in. Wow, that was deep, you guys. Some of you really needed to hear that because I feel like some of you guys, you're not doing the inner work. You have to be very self-aware right now. This is the time, the Four of Swords. This is the time to be self-aware. You need to bring your awareness within yourself. What do I need to fix with myself? What are my flaws? We all have them, it's okay. But if we don't ever address them, we can never improve. So what do you need to fix within yourself? What do you need to heal within yourself? Okay? This is a time to become the best version of yourself so that you can become a vibrational match to what's really waiting for you. And guess what? The next card that was sitting here, the Four of Wands. Look at that. Yes, I feel like when you could finally fix yourself and become the best version of yourself, Spirit's going to bring you this amazing union. Okay? And I don't know if it's going to be with this person. It could be with someone 10 times better. Can you even imagine that? You thought this person was amazing. Can you imagine someone 10 times better than them? Well, the universe can. And the universe is like, fix yourself so that we can open the doorway and show you where to go. But how do you get the key to unlock your path to your soulmate? You gotta fix yourself. The only thing that will unlock that door is you becoming a vibrational match to it. And it can happen as soon as today. Or not. If you don't want to do the work, it might never happen. Maybe it won't ever happen in this lifetime. But that's why this video found you. So you can wake up to the possibility of what can happen, what can come for you. Okay, that's what I have. I'm going to pull an angel card on that note to see what your angels have to say. If you're seeing me for the first time, this is my angel deck. I saw 44 angels in 24 hours. This is the deck of what I saw. Okay, also I have a spirit guide one with the same concept. These are all available in my TikTok shop. Think about the holidays because I'm not gonna get any more. This is it. So, okay, let's pull the angel card though. I'm gonna split the deck randomly. Oh, that one fell out. Okay, Angelique, that's the angel. Okay, so she says, grounding is an excellent exercise. Try it. Did I not just tell you guys about this? Did I not just tell you guys about the black tourmaline to get this? I feel like this message has come full circle. Get the black tourmaline. You know, either get it or go on Otter Spirit in my bio. They have amazing jewelry. You can get some black tourmaline jewelry, the bracelets, all that good stuff for protection, okay? Anyways, make sure to follow me. I'll see you guys next time.